Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals, and I am still making butterflies. I am just having a ball with these. As most of you know, as many of you know, I have a Glowforge laser cutter, and I had one design. This gold design is the first butterfly design I had, and then I saw somebody that had on a similar pair. So I said, "Oh, I want to make mine different now," because you know my tagline is "We make jewelry for those who are deliberately different." So I cut my new file on my Glowforge, and I went to work. I think I'm going to make these in different sizes if I can make the file work. The size that I've been making, some of them are 3 inches long and others are 2.5. Most of them are 2.5 inches. But I'm going to see if I could cut the file down to maybe 2 inches to see how that looks. So here is a freshly cut file. This one is fabric on wood. So of course I have to weed out all the wood that cuts out. And then once I get all of the little wood pieces out, then I can peel off my covering, my protective covering that I have over my design. So this is just the process, so I'll let you check it out. Because this is fabric, I'm going to put resin on it. I'm using UV resin. I'm going to put one thin coat on it, and then I'm going to let that cure, and I will put a second coat on it, and that will give it a nice little dome. So that's what's going on here. I really should be using gloves and a mask with these, but the resin doesn't really bother me, but if you haven't used resin before, it's best to use it with gloves and a mask. That way you won't have any ill effects from it. Some people do not tolerate the chemicals very well. Just a precaution. I'm putting a stud back on these, but this is the finished product, almost finished. I still have to put the studs back on them. But these are some others that are in the process of getting the stud put on them, so they're not quite ready. The silver mirror ones have the back on them already. I also keep thinking about making a whole collection of black butterflies. I love Chaka Khan's song Papillon Hot Butterfly, and I was thinking about making a collection of black butterflies. So I'll see what kind of designs I'll come up with for that. But I'm just having such a great time with these butterflies. Let me know what you think of my newer style of butterfly. All right, good people. You know the drill. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the newer butterfly, or do you prefer the first one? Let me know. All right, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.